Hello guys, this is Computer Ace and today I'm going to show you how you can change the background of an image or a photo simply by one click. You don't have to apply lots of calculation and all that. You don't have to use complex softwares like Photoshop CS, Photoshop 8 and all those complex softwares. All you have to do, you have to install this application. I have given a link in the description. You can go there, just install this application on your phone. It works on every Android version from 4 and above. So simply you have to, what you have to do, you have to either, you can just tap on the center button. You can see center large button is there for camera. You can just click a photo, or you can just go to gallery and select a photo. I'll show you right here. Just select a photo of which you want to change the background. Like I have chosen one here. All right, okay, just click on this tick icon and it will be loaded and it will do all the calculations. It's not a paid version, so that's why that advertise popped up. It will do all the calculations which you do on Photoshop CS and all and on all those complex softwares, and to give you every option to change background, change hair color. It's so interactive and very interesting. It may take some time because it's doing a pixel calculation and all that. Now it gives me an option for hair change, hair color change. I will just change it to brown and you will see it has changed. The hair color has changed to brown. Go back to red and this is red. And now what about French roast? And this is French roast, Ruby Fusion. And if you want the color to be smoky black, this is it. Just keep it like that. It looks beautiful on her. Just change it back to smoky black color. Now what about background? See, the time I clicked on background, it automatically selected the background, and you can see how perfectly it has changed the background. You just can move the image to anywhere you like. Okay, it's better to be here. So you can change background instantly just with one click. You don't have to apply, you don't have to do lots of calculations, and you don't have to apply lots of layers which you do in Photoshop and all that. This is a handy application. I think you must go for this application, and the link is given in the description. You can go there and install this application right away. And do please like this video and subscribe to my channel for getting videos like this in very near future. All right, and it has got an option right here at the corner. Okay, you just can save this application. You can just directly upload it to Facebook. You have got so many options. I will just save it to my, all right, and at the bottom you could see it has saved it. And now we'll go and check it out. All right, okay, here it is. Teleport is the name of the application. Here it is. So it's so fine, nice and good. So this is, guys, please subscribe to my channel and get timely updates like this in future. Thank you.